welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get one of these lawnmowers going after it's been sitting all winter. It's one of the lawnmowers with their don't have a primer or a choke. It's just pull and go, but everyone knows that after these things is put up after all winter, you're going to pull your arms off and it's just not going to start. So I'm going to show you how to get it to go. Now, I was just here, pulled and pulled and pulled on it. It never made an offer. So what I always does, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it will do it. So you pull your cover off. Tip the machine on her side a bit. And right there, right in your carport. All you want to do is get a stopper full of gas. Just 1 second there. So yeah, just much gas, and just pour it right in this hole. You don't want no more than that. That'll do the trick. You can put your filter back on if you like. You don't have to till you get her started. Set her down again. Most likely it should start on the first pull. After you does this, I'll try to hold the camera and pull her over for you and try it. Stopper forward a little bit too much, but she's trying to go right now. Simple as that. I pulled on this thing about 25-30 times and never made a hopper. Now that you got her going, most likely you pull on her, she should go right away again. Let's give it a try. Simple as that. Everything needs a prime. I don't know why they made this with like an auto choke type thing. It never works. This will work every time. I got 2 of them. I just had my other one out. Done the same thing. Never thought about making the video when I did it with that one, but I had to do it with that one, same thing. So I said I'll haul out my second one and show you guys how easy it is to get one of these going if you can't get her going after all winter been sitting, which most likely you will not. So like always, like, share and subscribe.